welcome back to Bold Closet. If you're new here, thank you so much for dropping by. If you are an OG, I see you. So today we're going to do another DIY. I'm going to create a makeup organizer with this beer box. Tafasal, mtu asiniulize kwenye beer box imetoka. So I'm going to create a makeup organizer, as I've said. We are going to use the box, and you're going to use our spray paint, tissue rolls, and glue gun. See these tissue rolls, they're from the previous projects. I don't even throw them away anymore. So we're going to use these, and then we're going to use our glue gun. We are going to use pearls, white ones, wachana na hiyo feather kabisa, and then you're going to use scissors. So what you're going to do, we are going to put our glue on the tissue rolls. So we're just going to create a pattern. Yeah, it's nothing big. We're going to just create a random pattern. If you want to have it halfway done, you can do this. For me, I decided to go all in, so I'm just creating some zigzag lines on that kanini. I repeat, be gentle with glue gun. It's kinda, see, it's super hot. Unaona vile makeup, it's super hot. So be gentle and make sure that you don't burn yourself, because this one, hey, is more fire. So what you're doing, we're just adding that. I know someone is asking, hey, see itakula glue sticks. Hey, be ready to use a few. Be ready to use a few of your glue sticks, because haka DIY ni kadogo but kanakula. Unaona venye tuna create. I know you're wondering what's this, because once it's sprayed, once you spray that once you spray the tissue rolls and the box, that's when you'll be like, so this is what she was doing, yeah, So what we're just doing is repeat the same on your box. But when it comes to this box, I'll advise you just be generous. Be generous with your glue. Mwaga as much as you can, like just pour as much as you can, and make sure that your patterns are closer together, like you are closer to each other. Like usitenganisha, create big space. Just make sure that pattern comes together next to the next one. Just do some random zigzag, and the glue, you realize this glue dries up real quick. So once you're doing that, by the time you're done with one side, the other side has already dried. So it's not going to be difficult to handle a larger box, because ati unaogopa hii side ingine ukiguzisha chini itaribika. No, haitaribika. Glue ina dry so fast. So for me, I realized, like, I love this yellow on top, that part where you're holding. So I decided I want to keep that yellow. I didn't want to paint the entire box. If you want to paint the entire box, go on and do it. For me, I decided I just want to have this yellow part, because one, it's cute, and two, it has no writings. So why spray it and the way it looks good? So I decided to just mask it up and spray the rest of the box. But kama hutaki kazi nyingi, you can just, when you're spraying, you can just cover that part with another box, hold it close, tight, and then spray the rest of the parts, so spray won't go there. But for me, because I didn't want all that hassle, I decided, let me just choose the masking tape. So I'm using this black tape all around the mpaka place yenye nataka ibaki yellow. So this is what I'm just doing, pole. But as I've said, if you want to make your work easier and not go through the hassle like I went through, you can just cover it with another carton box as our cardboard as you spray. So isikupe stress. Usianze kujiuliza, hii kazi yote nitaweka tape maranga sangapi. Also, I noted that hii tape inaenda nyingi sana, na pia ukitoa it doesn't look like, I like, just cover it with something else. Don't go through the hassle I had to go through. But again, if you want a good DIY and you don't want to have paint go to that place, why not go through the hassle? So that's it. And then I realized this box needed some I decided, let me just do black paint, because as you can see on my table, I had yellow, orange, and black. I decided to do black. See this. See what you're getting. Just look at that. Then I realized the bottom part, I decided I needed an extra box at the bottom to just add volume to this box. So I cut another capice, same size at the bottom, and added. So adding the box layer will make it even will make your box stronger and can hold even heavy makeups when they're lifted, or if you want to hang it on the wall, it will be easier because the bottom part isha ongezewa. But take note, do this, add your box, add the bottom part before spraying, because as you can see, there are those edges, you see those edges that zimebaki na glue gun, those edges I had to go back and spread them. Alternatively, you can use paper glue to stick the bottom one, so that glue gun doesn't come at the edges. Yeah, so whichever method you decide to use, make sure you do that before spraying. So what we're going to do next is just take our tissue rolls. You see the pattern we have created with tissue rolls. First of all, I painted these tissue rolls orange, and then I didn't like the orange, and then I decided let me just do black. But ushaisikia ile tu timing ya shetani venye nakwanga maridadi, according to mkurugenzi, timing ya shetani nakwanga tu maridadi. Imagine my spray ilishi hapo katikati. So I sprayed the outer part, and then when I was about to spray the inner part, my spray ikaisha. Yani shetani tu. So anyway, we are going to apply glue at the bottom of one side of the tissue roll. Apply as much as you can, and then you attach to this box. As you can see, my box is partitioned, like inaka inabebanga 6-pack, sindio? So iko partitioned. So I decided to put these tissue rolls at the middle section, yeah? And be generous with your glue. Mwaga nyingi hapo chini ndio ishikilie chini. So I decided I'm going to just stick it and the way it is. Nikinunua spray black nita spray ndani, but for you, make sure you spray inside. Also that ka orange ilini mess, but anyway, see the pattern, see what you're getting. So yeah, once you have added that the tissue rolls, let them dry. So I decided to take the masking tape pole. I didn't like how it came out, because at some part, you see, like there, that kakona, some part ilikuwa inatoka yote, inatoa color, inabaki white. But I don't know, it's me being rough, or it's generally what that kanini was meant to do, that castic, the tape was meant to do. So I didn't like the way it came out, because some parts, ona tu, yani kuna zile tu parts ilikuwa inatoa yellow, inakaa ni camera rule, inatolewa tu inatoa white yangu. I was so mad, I was so pissed off. But again, see, it still looks cute, yeah? Still looks cute. So we move on regardless. So after having this done, you'll realize that that box is already done. Like, your box is already done. Goodbye to losing your makeup kit, like losing your brushes. Goodbye to you losing eye pencils because uju kwenye hizo zingine zilienda. So at this point, we're almost done with your box. But we have these pearls that you want to use, because I just wanted that touch. If you paint your box entirely black and then you add these pearls, they'll pop out like yo. But for me, because I just wanted that yellow, I decided I'm going to stick these pearls kidogo, kamoja, just to add some cuteness to my little box, yeah? So this is what you're going to do. Just a drop of glue, the glue, and then you place your pearl and press it down. For me, I decided, because these pearls were too close to one another and they were that neat, I decided to use a seam ripper, yeah? So you can use anything that you have, doing them down, yeah? And just have that vibe you want. So don't be limited to one thing, specific thing. Just go beyond your imagination. Think what you want, try what you want, apply it, and then finally you'll have a very, very awesome or cute DIY. Don't say, let me now start placing my my unaona sasa kata hiyo sijui funiko kwenye kwa wapi. The first brush I don't know even where the funiko is. So that's when I decided, you see why I had the tissue rolls. Tissue rolls will hold your lipstick, will hold the small brushes to place, because now they won't like fall ndani hiyo kitu. So this is where I place my eyeshadow brushes, my powder brushes and everything, my pencils, my eyeliners, my lip liners, nikazieka the other side. Once the brushes are from on the other side, my lip liners zikakuja on this other side. Then I also had to put my pencil on any pencils zangu. Do you use your pencils to that level? See my those are my pencils. Like nachonga mpaka kale kanini kamusho mpaka sikwenye nitaona kabisa vidole zimekataa kushika. Then I also added my my collection, my perfume collection, the small ones that I use when I'm leaving the house or I'm going somewhere for a party or anything. Then my lipsticks, I have my lipsticks on the other side. Yeah, see it has partition. It's partitioned, so it's easy for you to place your lipsticks and everything on different sides, and where you can be able to just allocate them. Like unaweza rusha tu hivi kama mkono, it's it allocating or just locating. It's locating. Unaweza rusha tu kama mkono utoe from one end na zitapotea. You apply, unarudisha on the same box. See how this is my beauty blender. It's already dirty. It's dirty. That's my beauty blender. It's dirty, but yo, and I'm just finding a home for those beauty blenders, because where no sasa vile nimeziweka kwa kona, they'll never get lost. Then I, on this other end, after I geuzad the box, I placed my foundations and my, you know, all my foundations, my concealers, pole tu unazeka tu, unazipanga tu pole haki kitu inapanga tu vitu, unakaa tu organized. Yeah, if you could have seen my before makeup table and now and this after, trust me, you'll see an entire new thing. Like you'll see a new thing, something totally different, something like, you know. Anyway, my box looks cute, and I love how my foundations are just staying, yani inakaa tu classy, like inakaa tu vizuri. Ona tu venye vijipanga, ona tu brushes tuko kando, lipsticks ziko kando, foundations ziko kando. Then ona nikapata makeup zingine hata sikuwa najua niko nazo, so nimeorganize, nikapata tu pencils twingine hata sikuwa najua niko nazo. But anyway, see, that's how our box looks like, and I love this DIY. So if you love this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Go try, create your own, see that pattern, create your own. Don't lose your makeup anymore. Like don't lose your brushes tena, don't lose your eye pencils tena with this simple DIY. You don't have to have a big organizer box, like makeup organizer box or anything. Just use what you have. And I love you so much, guys. Till next time, I hope you enjoyed this video. You can kindly share. If you watched to this end and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, comment, like and share. And till next time, guys, I love you. I love you guys. Bye bye.